Once EMS arrived, they checked her and determined that she was deceased and that there was no need for any other attempts to be given. At that particular time, it became a crime scene because it was noted by the deputies there that she had a gunshot wound. Once they did that, they cordoned off the scene, called for additional investigators, and we began our investigation at the time. We identified the victim at that time as Dana Hudson Johnson. She's a 40-year-old female who lives there in Bellwood, Alabama. Due to after questioning the family members who all lived in that general area, and some of the neighbors there at the scene, and from our own personal knowledges of cases that we had worked prior with Miss Johnson being the victim, we identified a suspect at the time as Andrea Charlene Wombles. There had been prior problems between the victim and Miss Wombles, stemming back over a year. By 9 o'clock, we had taken Miss Wombles into custody, and shortly after that, we found her vehicle and a pistol that we suspect was used in the shooting in a wooded area close by where Miss Wombles had been hiding. She was taken into custody, brought down here and questioned by our investigators, and after conferring with the district attorney by her statements and what we could find at the scene, we talked with Kirk Adams, and he agreed. We charged her with murder and placed her in the jail. She has not had a first appearance. First appearance hopefully will be sometime today. We're still working on paperwork. We're still trying to get all of our paperwork together. We're still trying to work and process evidence that we collected at the scene last night and that we impounded and towed in. So we've still got a long way to go as far as that. But from everything we determined last night and from the statements we got, probable cause did exist to charge her with murder. Ms. Wombles did give a statement, and that statement did lead us to believe that she did commit the murder. This goes back to a situation that happened over a year ago, and there had been prior charges in which Ms. Wombles had been charged with assault on Ms. Johnson prior to this.